Hey food lovers, the food hub here. Today we are making soft and fluffy carrot buns, a healthy twist on classic bread that's naturally sweet, colorful, and oh so delicious. Let's get started. You start by peeling and blending your carrots. These little guys are the secret to our beautiful color and subtle sweetness. I am going to leave the list of ingredients and measurements in the description box below. Shout out to AZ Diaries all the way from Jamaica. Shout out to Epic Echoes all the way from Sudan. Shout out to Pupuola all the way from Nigeria. I hope I got that correctly. Cut your carrots into tiny pieces and blend. After blending smoothly, add your egg, sugar, and milk and blend together. Enjoy the process. In a mixing bowl, combine your all-purpose flour, cinnamon powder, ground cloves, pepper, baking powder, and salt. Give that a good stir. Pour in your blended carrots. Mix to incorporate. This is not a traditional bun. After trying out this recipe, trust me, you're not going to go back to the usual buns. Except of course you don't love carrots. Once you're done, allow to rest for 15 minutes. Now this is the way to scoop your butter into the oil. Preheat your cooking oil and gently scoop the butter. You are to fry this for 4 to 5 minutes. Look at the color, soft, fluffy, naturally sweet. These carrot buns are perfect for breakfast, snacks, or lunch boxes. Enjoy them warm with a little jam. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy homemade bakes. Happy baking! See you in my next video. Bye!